Team, today we protect the color of our world.
That's the rainbow crystal. I feel it. Huh? I feel it.
It's real. It's the source of the valley's colors.
Something is wrong.
It is asking for help.
That didn't look friendly. Wait.
The light. It's draining. That piece feels cold.
No blaming, no panic. We solve this as one team. 3 lights must return. Wisdom, courage, precision. We'll bring back the 3 lights and restore the crystal's heart.
I'll take the windy slope.
I'll be careful. I won't rush.
Team,
Team. Together.
we move smart. We move safe. We return here together.
Courage is me. I'll bring back the green light. I'll bring back the green light. I'll be precise and I'll come back. See you at the shrine.
I'll be careful. I'll be waiting, safe and steady. Wisdom first. Understand the lake. A trap. It tightens when you fight it.
Okay, Wind. I'm still coming.
No rushing. Precision keeps me safe.
Patience opens doors. Wisdom returns.
Okay, again.
I can do this, step by step.
Got it. Got it. Courage came through.
Listen first. Right here, not too much.
Precision complete.
Hold on, they're coming.
Courage didn't quit. Precision delivered. Precision delivered. It's working. There's one more.
We have to try.
We have to try. I can't leave it broken.
Why did you do that? We almost fixed it.
Stop. Blame won't heal anything. We learn and we fix it together. Something is waking up.
symbol. It's trying to protect something.
Wisdom guides. Courage pushes forward. Precision holds it together.
It's huge!
This isn't about strength alone.
If I push hard enough...
Sometimes harder breaks things. Together. Wisdom designs it. Courage anchors it. Precision completes it.
I've got it. Want it?
Now...
This way. Together.
Steady! We've got this! Thieves! These are the 3 virtues!
Wisdom.
Courage! Courage! Precision! It's beautiful!
We'll use this wisely. Oh?
Yay! The rainbow crystal still needs you. Hurry!
That's where the sadness came from.
That's where the sadness came from.
I was left alone.
You're not alone now. Hey, Kurpitra! I always mess things up.
Fail.
You didn't fail.
You cared.
Heard.
Sadness isn't evil. It's unheard.
I was forgotten. You belong here. Right?
Thank you.
The rainbow crystal never needed perfection, only understanding. I wanted to fix everything myself. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I got scared and loud.
I'm sorry too.
Wisdom listens. Courage admits mistakes. Precision cares deeply.
We promise.
I will watch and remember.
The colors are back. The colors are back.
You didn't give up on me. Never.
Never.
True heroes don't wait for danger. They protect joy every day. Next time sadness shows up, we're ready. Preparation means fewer mistakes.
It's showing us memories.
Communication without language.
It's not warning us, it's explaining.
Then we listen.
Quietly.
Every good choice plants a seed.
Grow strong.
Grow strong! Until we meet again.
As long as we care, the colors will stay. Every challenge taught us something about ourselves and each other.
We'll protect the colors.
It's growing.
Howie!
When we share our hearts, even sadness can turn into light.